Well, hello, small cartoon collectors. What we have here is the Nissan, the very first Nissan Silvia, the CSP311, and this is a ChoroQ Chibikko, so it's a smaller than average sized Choro-Q, and it was so cute, you know. Look at my fingers. The thing is so small, but it's funny, you know. These things they're cartoon cars, but this is a small cartoon car, so I had to get it. Getting all these Chibikkos. Oh boy, but what's scary is there's 54 of them at least, right? And that's just the moldings. Within this casting, there might be a bunch of other colorways or racing ones. Who knows? Well, this is quite interesting. I think there might actually be some paint bubbling going on there, like paint rash. But this is a plastic body. But look at the ribbing here. That's pretty impressive, you know. And we got some silver paint on the side for the molding. I think there's even a little silver paint around the windshield right here. I could be wrong, it might just be a reflection, but no, I'm pretty sure that's silver. So it's really fine detail. Little red oval there, or circle, and then the headlights are just painted silver, nothing there, but the green is carrying around the bottom. So how old is this one? 2007, okay. Tail lights are printed on nicely. There's a little silver ring, I think, going around the orange and the red. Alright. There's a little bump here for probably a key or something, and I'm guessing that's the fuel filler there. Unfortunately, with these Chibikkos, the wheels are so small, you can't really swap them out with Hot Wheels. Maybe the really smallest ones, but I would actually prefer not having an exposed axle, and these do not have such. So, I usually just leave these alone. The riding stance is actually quite good for something this small, being a toy. These are wind-up toys, by the way. And it looks like that thing would go really fast. Okay, well, these are also short reviews because they're not realistic. So let's just go back to these photos and compare to a 1/64 scale, which I have by Konami. Yeah, there we go. So interesting that this Chibikko is almost 1/64 scale in its height and its width. I think in reality this is actually a pretty small car, so that's the way Japanese cars were back then. And so if you're curious, a regular size ChoroQ, here's a Silvia, I forget if it's an S14 or an S15, I think it's a 14, and that's got some Hot Wheels type of wheels. I can't recall for sure though. But anyways, a standard ChoroQ is quite large, obviously, compared to this, but still, they're quite small in the realm of scale, toy cars, that is. Alright, well, let's let this guy spin on its own. So, very nice. Yeah, expect to see some more Chibikko videos. If these things come along at a decent price, I'm gonna get them. So, alright, thanks. See ya.